So this is gonna be a real challenge, something I have not dealt with before. I am not gonna be boots on the ground because I don't have a lot of time. So when I'm here, it's literally one day. I'm hoping that this is about a 6-7 month job maximum. And I think it will be, just given that the layout of this house, it's a perfect size. Tierra Bonita was listed at $559,000, and I closed on it for $550,000. So that leaves me with about $300,000 to put into the renovation. Here she is. I am meeting with my general contractor, Christian, from Sierra Construction. He's a Chicago guy, and he's dating one of my closest friends in Vegas. I want to do French doors.
How tall do you want?
I want to go real tall.
You can get away with 2 32-inch French doors.
Which I'm fine with. Obviously, this is going away. Saw teal on the landing, but then, boom, all of this is gonna be vinyl planks. Those are going to be multi-sliders. So that whole thing's gonna be open.
Right.
But can I go 8 feet with these?
So you can certainly go 8 feet, but we need a structural engineer to come out here and sign off on it.
There's 2 fireplaces in the house, well, 3 really. There's one in the kitchen, and then there's the 2-sided one in the main suite and bath.
Yep.
And I really want one here, because this is now gonna be the family room. On the sides are gonna be what you would build for me and build out with the shelves, and I wanna light the shelves.
Okay.
I wanna do a bar, so that Ari's also gonna build the back bar that'll come around, because I want this to be very fun. This is my Vegas house. So in this room, multi-slider again, open to the outside, kitchen. So sink stays in this location. It's marble, countertops. I want like a full, huge stucco hood, just framed out.
Okay.
The appliances are all green. And then I'm doing a full refrigerator tower, and then cabinets all above it. They won't go to the ceiling, which goes completely against what I always say. But guess what? It's a new day. Main. So the main things going is obviously the multi-slider.
Got that.
So I want the firebox to be lower. This whole back wall is gonna be tile. Same tiles going on the floors, because it's a full wet room.
Okay.
This is gonna be a freestanding tub.
Okay, now that makes sense.
Yep. So today I am meeting with Joey, who is not just a great friend, but an amazing landscape designer. I've known Joey for almost 20 years. He was a draftsman when I had my first design job. And then he and my best friend ended up getting married. Their yard is, I think it's Joey's masterpiece. I've always wanted a yard designed by Joey. So look at this.
Let us see. Fantastic.
So it's all indoor, outdoor.
Yeah.
So like, it's that flow that I want.
Oh, this would be great. What's come out here? I think if we do like some kind of dining area
Yes.
here, and then somewhere in this area here, possibly do outdoor kitchen, living space here.
I wasn't even thinking about doing a grill.
I think you would grill if you had it. We could lay this out right. We could actually have a little bar top where people could sit there.
Because this is more entertainment. And we're not even like through it. Because I want a hot tub.
And go use it at night.
Just my bedroom
Yeah.
opens to a hot tub.
And then we can do some cool steps with some of that Spanish tile in the front of it.
This tree is a huge selling point. You know, the front yard is just like this kind of magical entrance. The door's totally changing.
Okay.
This whole thing, they're gonna go all the way up, but I still wanna do like big, huge pots. And I feel
How about
like
a fountain right here? And as you're walking up this, we have the sound of the water coming
Yes.
up. Then we can put tortilla tile down this whole entryway.
and then you're gonna make this super plush.
Yeah,
everything
we'll
all
make
around.
have greenery going around. We'll do some artificial turf in the front.
I'm so excited. I finally get a Joey yard. Oh, thank you. I got about $100,000 to spend fully on the front yard and backyard. So I'm a little nervous for that. I am not nervous about what he's gonna bring back to the table. Demo is officially underway at Tierra Bonita. Hello. This is so exciting.
It's coming, it's getting there. Garza, ya los pueden quitar.
Yeah, we're not gonna keep them.
I can put them in the garage. You want them in the garage?
Yeah, put them in the garage for
Put
now.
in the garage.
I think I'm gonna give them to my neighbors or like offer them. Okay. You know, like banana bread? Like all the new neighbors would get banana bread. All right, give me like a realistic time frame for you to have cabinets delivered.
6 weeks.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I have big plans for Vegas, and a lot of those plans really do involve a lot of pieces from Chicago. I have 8 projects happening at the same time. So I'm at Salvage One. It's one of my favorite places in Chicago. I'm hoping to find a really good deal here to keep my numbers down so I can splurge on the exterior. I'm shopping, I'm getting inspired, and I go into one of the rooms and I see this bar. And it is beautiful. And I've got this old dead space that used to be the dining room. This is where the bar is gonna go. You walk into the house, bar. But I know that I don't want this bar just floating. I want Ari to build me like a big, huge back bar. Hey, so I'm back in Chicago. I found this bar. So look at this.
Oh, that's cool. Is it vintage?
Yes.
I would say 1920s, 1930s, just by the design.
What about building like a really beautiful back bar with like some shelving, maybe some like wine refrigerators, you know, like have it all in one?
Yeah, I got some good ideas for that. It's awesome.
But if you could pick this up, then I could come to the farm and we can start really sketching it out.
Okay. Well, I'll be in Chicago tomorrow. Text me what time is good for them, and then I'll be there.
Okay, cool. All right, I'll go ask and let you know.
Okay. See ya. Have a good day.
Bye. It's really important for me to bring a little bit, if not a lot, of Chicago into this Vegas build. Huge day today in Vegas. I'm literally here 2 days. Oh my God. This is like all I can stare at.
As of today, all your windows and doors are gonna be installed.
I've never had a multi-slider. I've dreamed of having a multi-slider. I've envied people that have them when I go and see them at their house. And now I don't have one. I don't have 2. I have 3. It's my mini villa. It's Villa Victoria. Which ones are those?
That's actually your guest bathroom.
You know, it gets real when cabinets are going in.
This is your laundry room, this is your kitchen, and then this is
Yes,
the
that's
second
secondary.
bathroom.
Oh, the colors are so pretty. I mean, I love everything about them. Green fireplace. Let's just measure it out.
So 15 inches right here.
The mantle that's going in the living room is truly one of a kind. I found it on a recent trip to my favorite place in the entire world, Paris. I'm in Marc Maison that has the most gorgeous fireplace mantles. Meet the owner. Her name's Daisy. She's so sweet. Are these all from France?
They are all from France between 1855 until 1914.
And she was like, hey, I have one in my warehouse. Do you want to see it? How do you say duh in French? This one's available.
It's yes, it was not 2 days ago. It is now. Incredible.
And it's everything. It's perfect. And another word I learned, vendu, sold to me. Now, we've got to make that gorgeous mantle a real focal point.
So your hood range is here.
Okay.
We also got in your range. So we
have
can
you
definitely
seen
look
it?
at that. I did take a peek in there. And this is the hood.
Wait, what? Why does it have to be so big?
Because that's what you ordered.
60 inches is gigantic. That's too big. 60 inches is gonna take up my entire wall. Now I'm not gonna have room for the lights. I'm gonna phone a friend.
Hello?
Hey, 48-inch range, 60-inch hood?
You got a 60-inch hood? Well,
That takes up the whole wall. There's no room for anything now. I can't do any light fixtures or anything. It literally would be massive.
Hold on.
I need to stand under this. It's either that or I sit in the freezer. I'm sitting in it.
It's another water. You want water? It's cold.
Oh.
No, what we requested was their 48-inch hood liner. So if they sent you a 60-inch one, they sent you the wrong one.
Oh, good. So we'll just get the other one.
We're going 48?
Hey, do you need a hood? You know, Christy worked her magic with the elevations and how this was gonna lay out. So now the correct 48-inch range hood is on its way to Vegas. This project is moving fast, and we're looking at like 3.5, 4 months till it's done. And now you throw like 30 people in a house, and the guys that are doing all the landscape and the hardscape. It's a lot. It's like, I got him here, I got Joey, I gotta make things happen. The privacy screens I designed a few months ago with my metal fabricator Mike are being installed. I painted them green to match my overall color scheme, and they're gonna be covered in beautiful vines, so it provides a great backdrop, but also privacy. Look at this! Oh, Mike, it looks so good. The rough openings have been reinforced for my heavy new doors, and they're finally going in. I got the right size hood insert, and the bar is finally coming together.
There we go.
So today there's a huge laundry list of stuff going on, but one of the biggest things that's happening is landscape and turf.
Look at this.
Hello, gorgeous. So Matthew from Moon Nursery and Joey and team are literally craning trees in. And Matthew was really, really adamant. He's like, did I get a crane in here? I can get everything planted. And he did exactly that. The entire perimeter of this backyard, there are gonna be huge evergreens that require me to have 0 window treatments. And when you get into that kitchen, it's just all like a sea of green. Ladies! So 2 of my very closest friends are coming over. Camille, who's my dearest friend, she's the realtor who brought this house to my attention. And then Danette, who is like my world. When you showed me the house, I was like, this is it.
I can't believe what this exterior looks like.
Well, Joey killed it.
Unbelievable.
I like hit the jackpot with this one.
It's stunning. It's great.
Doing the faux grass, I got a credit of like $6,600 from all the water savings.
Yeah,
And the fountain,
it looks great.
I'm in love. It feels like Pablo Escobar hired a designer. Welcome to my new house. Look at the money shot.
Wow.
It doesn't even look like the same house, Camille.
No. Look at these doors.
Before, this was that catwalk
Yeah.
of the ugliest tile. So I just like that you continue the tile in and have this rounded, softer kind of entry.
Well, it just lends itself to the Spanish feel.
So this is the mantle I found. Paris, look at this. I wanted this to be like truly just that like sexy candlelit feel. And then I kept this wall and I had Christian niche it out.
Then you have your arches
Yeah.
again. And the lighting, it's perfect.
Doesn't it feel good?
Yes.
This is the bar from Chicago. And then I had to mimic the look and design of this into this whole back bar.
Unbelievable.
Total custom piece.
Love it. Green.
You match it.
Look at, I knew.
You go with it.
Gosh.
You know, Yaya is now in Michigan. And I got all of her dishes. And I said, I'm gonna take these because they've got green and I'm gonna do a green kitchen. I wanted the green to reflect what this house is all about, which is bringing the outside in.
It is stunning. The veining is beautiful.
I love every single thing about this 2,600 square feet and what it is kind of morphed into. I love that it's designed by Joey in the front and back. That backyard has tripled in size. Do you remember the yard actually stopped right here? I never imagined it would look this good.
All livable and usable, and I see you out here every night. Fireplace, glass of wine, cup of tea.
I see you climbing this tree.
I'm gonna be in a hammock in that tree. The travertine makes it all day long. I feel like the mix of travertine and sautil tile is so Spanish. Now I have a true outdoor space. Okay, so come on in.
Wow.
Beautiful. Everything in here.
I know.
And you have a fireplace in here.
A double-sided fireplace.
Oh.
Those doors make this room shine. Right now, you're seeing the back side of them. I've got to show you this front. You're gonna die.
Oh, the green.
Oh, there's the green.
They look patina. Oh my gosh.